This is an easy, quick recipe that gives you a perfect flavor of a lobster tail that will melt instantly in your mouth. First is we need to prepare the lobster tail by cutting the shell in the middle and stick out its meat, creating a butterfly look. Do the same with the rest of the lobster tail. Arrange your lobster tail on a pan covered with a parchment paper. Melt 1/4 of salted butter and add garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and ground pepper. Mix it well. And brush it to your lobster tail, making it sure all the meat absorbs enough butter to give you a flavorful, buttery, garlic, tender and juicy lobster that you're craving for. After this process, put it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at a temperature of 450 degrees. Now here is our buttery garlic lobster that will melt in your mouth instantly. Follow this simple recipe and I bet your family will love it and ask for more.